Bitrix24 Business Automation Tool Review, Usage Experience. Links to Bitrix24 are in the description below. In this video, I'll review Bitrix24, a comprehensive business automation tool that combines CRM, project management, communication, and workflow automation in a single platform. Designed for businesses of all sizes, Bitrix24 streamlines operations by centralizing essential tools, making it a strong alternative to multiple standalone apps. At its core, Bitrix24 offers a powerful CRM system that automates lead tracking, customer interactions, and sales processes. It includes sales funnel automation, email marketing, and AI-powered insights, helping teams manage customer relationships efficiently. The built-in task and project management module supports Kanban boards, Gantt charts, and time tracking, ensuring smooth collaboration and workflow optimization. One of Bitrix24's strongest features is business process automation. Users can create custom workflows with triggers and actions, such as automatically assigning tasks, approving invoices, or sending notifications. The platform also integrates with external apps like Slack, Zoom, and third-party APIs, allowing seamless connectivity across business tools. For internal communication, Bitrix24 provides an integrated chat, video calls, and document sharing system, replacing the need for separate collaboration tools. Teams can create private workgroups, share files, and manage calendars, all within the same ecosystem. The Contact Center feature enables businesses to centralize customer communication across multiple channels, including email, live chat, and social media. Bitrix24 also includes HR automation, such as employee attendance tracking, leave management, and performance evaluation tools, making it useful for companies handling workforce operations. The mobile app ensures that users can manage tasks, communicate, and track workflows on the go. With on-premise and cloud-based options, Bitrix24 provides flexibility for businesses concerned about data security and compliance. It offers role-based permissions and advanced security settings, making it suitable for enterprises with strict access control requirements. Overall, Bitrix24 is an all-in-one automation platform that enhances productivity, collaboration, and customer management. Its CRM, project management, and workflow automation features make it a strong choice for businesses looking to optimize operations without relying on multiple separate tools. If you're interested in trying Bitrix24, check the links in the description below.